Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find notifications and sound settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings. Now click here notifications and sounds, and now here as you see you will find it and you can manage it as you like. And that's it for today. That's how to find notifications and sound settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.